All right, hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. Today we talk ratios, and this is a great problem. I can't say that enough. This is such a great problem. This is a tough problem. This comes from literally a sampler that's probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years old. And watch what they do. They make you go through all these little steps and find out little pieces of information or little nuggets to go through and solve the final. So let's start explaining what a ratio basically is. So if I read the first sentence says the ratio of the number of students in the chess club to the number of students in the math team is 1 to 3. That means the chess club is the 1 and the math team is the 3, because how they're worded from left to right, chess was before math, and then when we give our numbers, the way the numbers are ordered in my ratio have to be the way that they're worded in the problem with my nouns, right? So chess club, math team, 1 to 3. So what essentially does that mean? Well, that means for every 4 people that you talk about or interview or survey, every 4, one person is in favor of the chess club and 3 people are in favor of the math club. So the math club people or the math team people are outnumbering the chess club people 3 to 1. You could also look at it and say, hey, there are 3 times as many math team people as there are chess club people. So that's what the first sentence represents. Now we go to the second sentence. They give us another ratio, and we're not talking about the chess club anymore. We're talking about the math team. But now all of a sudden there's a new team that's in play here, and that's the Quiz Bowl team. And they're even more popular. It says the math team here, the math team, the ratio compared to the Quiz Bowl team is 1 to 2. That means there is double the number of Quiz Bowl team members as there are math team members. So these are important facts to know. So you go back to the first sentence, there are 3 times as many math team members as there are chess club people. And then when you go to the second sentence, there is 2 times as many Quiz Bowl team members as there are math team. So then they give us the nugget that we need. The nugget that they give us is 4 students are in a chess club. So you come back up here to my first ratio, 1 to 3. The math people outnumber the chess people 3 to 1, 3 times more. So if there are 4 students in the chess club, 4 times 3 means there are 12 students on the math team. Now, we got to apply that. If there are 12 students on the math team, and right here, we know there are 2 times as many students on the Quiz Bowl team as on the math team. 2 times 12 is going to be 24. What a great problem. Like I said, you had to use information from one sentence to the next and then apply it. This is how ratios are essentially done. This is what ratios essentially mean. If you think about this, you go through and you think back, all right, that first one, I said how it was 1 to 3 ratio. We're talking about every 4 people, 1 to 3. Well, when you get to the second one, what I didn't say here is now all of a sudden we're talking about 3 people here in the ratio. And out of every 3 people that you talk about, 1 is a math team person and 2 are from the Quiz Bowl team. Okay? So I hope this helped a little bit with ratios. Any questions you can always ask. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.